Now here we've got excitement. Check out these colors, the black, tuxedo black with the red interior. That is the most desirable color combination on a mid-year Vette, according to the trim tag. It was born this way. Corvette guys have looked at the tag and believe it's original. And guess what? Under the hood is a 427 with 425 horsepower. Match that up with the side exhaust and a 4-speed and 410 gears. You're going to have a blast in this car. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions. That's where you can see 200 classic cars all for sale. And they'll have the price tags, including this one, and the monthly payment as well. But for right now, that top's down. Let's go for a spin. So the gentleman that we just acquired this from bought this when we had auctions, the cruise auctions back around 1990. He's owned this car at least 32 years. He thought it was 20 years, but we reminded him we quit doing those back in around 1990. So anyway, this is the paint job that's been on it. It looks fantastic. The 427 comes with that bulged hood. The door looks really sharp. There'll be a little mark. There's a little scratch, a little chip touched up. Minor imperfections. Door shuts real nicely. But considering how old the paint is, the body's looking great. You know, as far as cracking and bad bodywork showing, there's none of that. All looks beautiful. This is all nice and straight, shiny, polished. The lid fits real nicely. Both of them shut real nice. I didn't even have to do it that hard. All nice, clean, smooth, straight. I don't see any issues with that at all. It has the bonding strips up inside each panel. Hood fits real nicely, square, flush. Headlights all fit very nicely. They open and close. Now, something my dad showed me, the curve on the headlight door should be the same as the curve on the body. And they look really nice. When it's been worked on, you might have a curve on the headlight door, but the curve on the body might not match so much. Well, that's not how it would have left the factory. So yeah, original tuxedo black, minor imperfections if you go looking for them. Here's a little scratch, but it shines. It's gorgeous. Reproduction knockoff wheels. They're in really nice shape. It has the side exhaust, the rocker trim, the outer cover's in excellent shape. The tips, they're looking kind of shabby. Some freckles on the door handles. These look like they were replaced. Corvette emblems looking real nice. This looks like it might be original. There's a little bit of crazing in the clear plastic. It's the correct antenna. Looks like it's a power antenna. I see the switch inside there. Bumpers are shiny, tail lights are shiny, so that's all looking good. Black convertible top is brand new. There's pictures of that on our website. So that's really nice as well. Got the bow tie mirror. Could be the original windshield, just some surface little nicks and some mild wiper marks. And then up front, the bumpers are 7 or 8 out of 10. So sharp looking car. Let's open it up. I'll show you that 427. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon so you're notified when the videos are posted. And do visit volocars.com. You can see the museum side of things, or you can look at the 200 cars we have in inventory. So door jambs look actually very clean, very smooth, shiny, tidy. Weather strips look to be in really nice shape. Door panels, excellent. I know the interior was just replaced. I don't know if they did door panels too, but they look brand new. Window cranks and that look good. So the instrument panels, all in excellent shape. All the gauges are working properly. It has a 6500 redline tachometer. That's correct for the 4 1/4 horse. Dash pads look like they've been replaced. They look real nice. Clock is only right twice a day. I did add a stereo without cutting up the car. It fits in the factory location. Glove box door looks new. Oh, we got the owner's manual in here. Yeah, the gentleman that owns it, he's just nowhere to put it, you know, getting up there in age and doesn't want to sell it, but it's time. Interior lights work, carpets all replaced, fits real nicely, new mats, correct 4-speed shifter. The console's in good shape, but a little bit of red paint is chipped up. Nice reproduction red seat belts. The seats nice and firm, and they've just been reupholstered. Carpet in the back's all replaced as well. There's that new black convertible top I spoke of, the top irons, rubber, all that in real nice shape. Does have a jack and the hammer for knocking off the spinners on the wheels. So real nice inside. Then we have a nice teak wood steering wheel. That was an optional. This is actual wood. Most of the wood wheels are actually plastic. And the visors were replaced too. I think part of the wiring harness was just done also. The car is dialed in. It was a Corvette shop that did all the interior work. So it was at their shop recently and gone through. So there's the beast, the legend. A 427 making 425 horsepower. This is all stock. The aluminum intake is stock exhaust manifolds. Valve covers were not chrome, they were orange. Does have the ignition shielding. The right air cleaner with the divot in the middle. Now that's a very stout engine. They put those also in the big Impalas in that. Never put one in a Chevelle. Put that in a Corvette, and this thing's going to rock and roll. Now it looks like the correct type radiator and clamps and fan and shroud. More of the same over here on this side. Battery is down here on this side, has a spring clamp cables. Overall, just a very good engine compartment. Oh, and as far as numbers matching, the VIN number and the codes are stamped on a pad up front there. Those match, they look really good. And we also go as far as checking the casting dates and casting codes. That all lines up. There's pictures on our website. So Michael's going to take you for a spin. His hat might fly off in this one. We'll see in a few minutes.
All right, everybody. I'm gonna have a fun ride here today. Convertible Corvette, a 427 and a 4-speed. Sign me up for that. Absolutely. Numbers matching drivetrain under the hood, numbers matching trans, numbers matching rear end. This is a remarkable vehicle. Started right up for me. She's happy and healthy. Sounded great. Let's get a kind of sneak peek of those side pipes. Gotta love it. Got a really just kind of a basic Corvette with a huge motor. I love the fact that they did that. Gives me everything that I'm looking for in a Corvette. And life is good. Some days you just wake up and you just feel good, and well, you go for a ride in one of these and then you feel even better. Nice clean idle right there. It is a little high, I noticed, but I'll bring it to the shop. Maybe they just adjust it. I'm sure it's just a simple, very simple adjustment. All the gauges appear to be working. We are approaching 180 degrees. Battery is showing a charge. Fuel gauge works. Oil pressure sitting pretty. The clock is not working, so just note that. Let's see what she's got. Absolutely up to highway speeds with no issue at all. What an exhilarating ride. See how we can get her track down the street here. Time to take a nap, guys. This one's point on. Beautiful alignment there. Open air experience, you just can't beat it. So our shop went over this car top to bottom. It was really dialed in when we got it. We only acquired about a $600 bill doing some minor tweaks to it. If that's something that you're interested in, you can get a full listing on our website of all the service that we did perform to it. But super nicely put together car with a great running drivetrain. And those side pipes, don't forget. Yes, sir. Absolutely. Come test drive this car. We encourage it. You can spend as much time with the vehicle as you'd like. We can put it up on a lift in our shop for you if that's what you need. It's a heck of a lot of fun. We're only about 40 minutes outside of O'Hare International Airport if you need to fly in to do that. Turn signal here. Downshifts beautifully. Turn signal cancels. Yeah, this one's a winner. No doubt about it. Check out all the details on volocars.com.
I didn't even mention that the motor was completely rebuilt by a professional Corvette shop. That was back when he bought the car, but he didn't put many miles on this at all. So underneath the car, very clean, maintained as needed. Independent suspension front and back. There's miscellaneous steering components up front that look very fresh to me. In back, they've upgraded the leaf spring with a fiberglass leaf spring, and those bushings look fresh. The gas tank looks new. So it's been serviced as needed. Our shop did our inspection, which is posted on our website. They did a few little things on it, reverse lights or something like that, but they look at all the suspension, they drive it, all in good shape. Disc brakes at all four wheels. 1965 was the first year for that. This is a 66. And that's all in good shape. The e-brake cables are new. You look up at the motor, it's still really fresh. Like I said, he didn't put many miles. The 4-speed is actually VIN number matched to the car as well. The rear end is coated correct to this car, dated to this car, and is 411 posi gears. I think I said 410 in the beginning, but it's a 411. The frame is solid. The fiberglass floors don't look broken or damaged. The rear spare tire carrier is there. That's all in good shape. So a very nice car with outstanding colors, number match, 4.25 horse engine, 4-speed and 411. This thing is just going to be pure excitement. Now, if you don't need any excitement in your life, then don't bother. But otherwise, go to volocars.com where the salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door and how to get it financed. Thanks for watching.